Alright, just to show you what I did, it's a 98 Lincoln Navigator. And when you disconnect this upper arm on the rear, it slides forward. I'm sorry, slides backwards. So I put a ratchet tie around through the frame to the diff to keep it from sliding backwards. And it's aligning the hose. Easy, plug and play now. Tied it before I loosen the bolts. Underneath the rear to this bracket here on the lower. Right. Bolts are all in. Plug and play. The strap still has tension. As soon as you put the nuts on, release the strap. No problem. And just to show the other wheels on the floor, if it wasn't, it would be easy to spin the diff back and forth. But that's not the situation. And I'm going to show you how to do the bottom one as well. But instead of tying this to this bracket, I'm going to be tying from the diff to the rear tow bar. Because in this one, it goes in. That one makes the diff go back. So from keeping it going back, I strap it from here to the frame. Alright, got this one in. And I hooked it up to the tow bar. Ratchet strap. When you remove the bottom, this plate goes in, the disc goes in. When you remove the top, it goes out. And that's where I connected it from here to the frame. Ratchet strap.